In this video, we will cover how to integrate the Urkund Plagiarism Prevention plugin with your Moodle instance. We will also cover the information needed to complete the integration and discuss some of the settings and what they mean for you. Let's begin. Things you will need from Urkund to complete the installation in Moodle. First, you will need your Urkund Moodle Integration and Installation Manual. This will be sent to you via your technical support contact at Urkund. It will include step-by-step screenshots on how to complete the integration process, and it will also include the Moodle Urkund zip file location. So this hyperlink you will select, it will bring you to the Moodle page with the different versions of Moodle instances, and you will select the most appropriate one for your institution, and it will automatically download the Plagiarism Urkund zip file. You will be given a username that is unique to your institution. It will include a U and 4 digits, along with the underscore in Moodle. You will also receive a unique password for your institution. And you will also receive a default receiver address that will also be uniquely identified with your institution. Let's move on to the Moodle instance. This is our dashboard, and we will navigate to Site Administration. Under Site Administration, we want to navigate to Advanced Features. This is where we want to make sure that the plagiarism plugin is activated. So we will scroll down till we find Enable Plagiarism Plugins, and be sure that this is ticked off because this will allow you as the administrator to configure the plagiarism plugin. Be sure to select Save Changes. And now we will return to the Site Administration page. Under the Plugins tab, select Install Plugins. This is where we will want to use the zip file that you downloaded previously. There is no need to extract the zip file, and then we will select Install Plugin from the zip file. Now that we have installed the zip file, we will return to the Plugins page under Site Administration, and we will scroll down till we find the Plagiarism category. We see here that the Urkund Plagiarism plugin is available, and this is where we will begin our configuration of the plugin. Under the Urkund Plagiarism plugin are the details that we need to complete the integration. First, tick the box for Enable Urkund. Here we have a pre-populated Urkund integration address. The username is the username you would be given that is unique to your institution, as well as the password. Be sure the language is correct for your institution. Be sure to set the student disclosure statement. This is displayed to all students on the upload screen to notify them that the Urkund system is in use. Here you will choose whether the students should be shown a link allowing them to opt out from Urkund, meaning that the content of their document will not be shown should they be found as a match in another institution's students' papers. Here you will decide if you would like the file name to be hidden upon submission of the document. This will allow a generic file name to be sent to Urkund so students cannot see the file name of any sources that match an existing submission. Be sure to set the minimum character count at 430 characters. This is the minimum required for an analysis report to be generated by Urkund. And be sure to select which parts of Moodle that should have Urkund activated. If, for example, Urkund is only activated for assignments, no forum or workshop posts will be sent to Urkund. Save changes. Now let's move on to the Urkund Defaults tab. The Default tab is if Urkund should be enabled per default in all new assignments. If it is, then you should select Enable Urkund as yes, and select when to show, if at all, the similarity score and/or the similarity report to the student. You have options in the drop-down box here and here. Be sure to select when the file should be submitted to Urkund, when it is first uploaded, or when it is sent for marking. Select whether files or inline text from forum posts and text from online text assignment types, or both, should be submitted to Urkund. Set the default receiver address to be used in new assignments if you would like to have a global receiver account. This is the option that was also communicated to you via Urkund, and it will be unique to your institution. You can choose to use it here, or you can remove it and still create default assignment settings based on the instructor receiver addresses. Send Student Email will turn on or off an automatic email from Moodle. It has no effect on Urkund system emails. Select what file types should be submitted to Urkund. If Allow all supported file types is set to yes, no further action is necessary. If only files of a specific type should be sent to Urkund, those can be selected in the scroll-down menu. For example, if you only wanted the file types to be submitted for document or PDF, you would select those here, and we will leave it at yes for our purposes. And then also remember to select what options that are to be considered as advanced for a default setting. Making a setting advanced means that it cannot be changed when a teacher later creates an assignment. If forum and workshop options are available at your institution and would like to enable Urkund, you will also select the same default settings for each. Be sure to select Save Changes. Remember that these Urkund default settings are an advanced configuration. Now the Urkund Plagiarism plugin integration and installation is complete.